Here's a project I'm working on right now. I'm adding this Motominded rally kit to my KTM 500. Main reason I'm adding it is I wanted to add a windscreen and somewhere to mount a GPS. I ended up going with the Trailtech Voyager Pro. And this is the kit. I ended up doing a lot of rewiring, and I'm gonna take it apart and redo it again, extend the wires even longer so that they go in there and look a little cleaner than what they are. Kit went together pretty easy and seems to be pretty well made. It's aluminum and 3D printed plastic parts. I really like the design of it. Mounts up under the neck there. Pretty clean. And it's pretty light. And then it's going to have the LEDs on the front here. These two Baja Designs LEDs. And then it has a small windshield. That's one of the main reasons that I got it. But that's what I'm working on right now.